Yep, so I've just pulled it from storage. Yeah, Bassix folding double bass. You can see neck folds back into itself if you slacken the strings and take the bridge off. Currently got swing masters on it, I think, but I've got some nice orchestral steel strings I'll put on it. I think they're Ever Parazzi's. They're better than these, so I'll happily stick them on if anyone wants to buy it. But yeah, can't really show the conditioning very well. It's in good nick, it's just got a few rattles and a couple of buzzies, but yeah, it's nature of the beast, I suppose. But yeah, works well, sounds well. So yeah, any questions, give us a shout.